Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys, and welcome to YouTube RP. Um, let's build a FiveM server together, I guess. Throughout this series, I'm basically just gonna be making a little FiveM server and teaching you guys how to make one yourself, so you can do whatever you want in it. Um, let's get started here. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open your web browser, and you're going to go to the server artifacts FiveM website. It's going to look like this. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And you're going to want to download this one, the very latest one, and it's going to come up as a zip. Now what you're going to do is you're going to want to create a folder, new folder, and then call this whatever. For our sakes, we're going to call it YouTube RP, and then open it. Alright, so we got this. Now you're gonna open this zip, maybe, and it'll look like this. So you get your citizen folder, your gitnor, and then it'll be all these random files. You don't have to really worry about any of those. So you're gonna just highlight everything and drag and drop in that new folder that you've just created. Now you should have a folder that looks something like this. The biggest thing that we need to be looking in this folder for is this, the FX server application. You're going to go ahead and want to right click that. You really want to, and you want to run as admin. You're going to click allow, and then you'll have this that pops up. Once that pops up, it'll automatically throw you into a TXadmin window. You're going to want to press link account, and then it's going to ask you to sign in to your cfx.re account. I'm already signed in. And then here is where you put your Discord ID, which is optional, your backup password, and then you confirm that password. So we're going to go ahead and put in a password and enter that backup password. Click the I have read and agreed to the creator PLA and register. This is your TX dashboard. Once you enter here to set up your server, you want to go to setup page. And then this, you're going to press next. This is going to be your server name, so whatever you want your server name to be. For our sakes, we're just going to do YouTube roleplay. Development type, you're going to want to click popular recipes. And this is where you can choose what framework you're on. CFX default is going to be your vMenu servers, ESX, and then QB. And for our sake, we're going to be using QB Core. This is just the path of where your framework is going to be. You're going to press save. You're going to press go to recipe develop recipe. You're going to press next. And this is going to be where you get your license key. So you're going to want to click this green keymaster button. You're going to verify. You're going to sign in. And you're going to press new server. This right here, your display name for whatever your server is called. For R6, it's going to be YouTube roleplay. Our initial server IP, this is going to be whatever your IP is, if you're home hosted, or whatever your server's IP is through Zap hosting or whatever host you use. And for our sakes, we are home hosting. So we're gonna go to if you do my IP, this will tell you your IP. you're going to want to paste your ID in, or your IP in there. Server type. For us, it's going to be home hosted. But if you're using like a Zap server or a Nova Node server, dedicated server is what you're going to press. And then which server provider you're using. I usually just put Zap hosting down. You can put whatever. You're going to verify that you're not a robot, and you're going to generate. All right. You're going to copy your server key, and then paste it in here. And you're going to press Run Recipe. All right. And now that it has loaded everything it needs to, we're going to press Next. And this is going to be a very important area that you're going to be visiting quite a lot. This is your server.configuration, or CFG. Whenever you put in scripts, jobs, cars, or anything of the sorts, you're going to need to insure it right in here. But right now, we are just working on getting the server set up. So right now, you don't need to do anything in here. You're going to press Save and Run Server. It's going to load all of the resources that are already coming with the server. All right, the server is online. What we are going to do is we're going to go search TX data. We've got to find this TX data folder, open file location, TX data. This is where you're going to find your QB Core framework base. You're going to open that up. And this right here, you can access your server CFG here, change the logo of your server, and in the resources folder is all of the resources. QB Core folder is all of the base QB Core scripts that range from mechanics, police, EMS, to criminal stuff. And that is it. Let's start our FiveM. So you're in FiveM. If you're doing it the way I did it, it should be connected right here. So for you to connect to LAN. Gonna create our character. And we are in our own server. If you guys did like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this, any support, please do let me know in the comments, and I'll try and help you out. All the links that I had and showed you in here will be down in the description, along with my Discord link. Peace. See y'all next time.